Hi, welcome to Mina Bytes. This is Ihsan Tashman, and today I'm going to take you into a journey how you can migrate, build, and innovate with AWS. With over 1 million of active customers and a global cloud presence, AWS has the experience at helping customers from all sizes to migrate their workload to the cloud. By migrating to the cloud, customers obtain on average 30 to 50% cost saving. In addition, customers can innovate faster with AWS. AWS provides more than 200 fully featured services where you can use during your digital transformation journey. So for example, you can use services from compute, database, storage, network, security, analytics, IoT, machine learning, application services, and others. In addition, you have access to the AWS Marketplace, which is a digital catalog of softwares available from ISVs, where it makes it easy for you to find, test, buy, and deploy applications that run on AWS. Third point is customers can reduce their cost while migrating from on-premises environment into the cloud. So you can have a more resilient IT model, and that's thanks to our global infrastructure that we provide to our customers. Now, talking about the global infrastructures, let me remind you how our region and infrastructure is built, so we can provide to our customers the highest level of security, availability, durability, and reliability. So AWS has the concept of a region, which is a physical location around the world where we cluster data centers. We call each group of logical data centers an availability zone, or in short, AZ. AZ is one or more discrete data centers with redundant power, networking, and connectivity in an AWS region. All AZs in an AWS region are interconnected with high bandwidth, low latency, fully redundant, and encrypted networking. So in summary, AWS gives you a hyperscale, highly available infrastructure where you can deploy your applications. Now let's go back to the topic of migration. Now, as customers realize the benefit and the advantages of the cloud, they still have some questions in mind. So for example, how can I build a business case for a cloud migration? How can I assess my current environment? How long the migration journey will take? How complex the migration is? And what are the migration plans towards achieving my objectives? How can I upskill my resources to implement this cloud migration process? And how can I migrate fast so I can realize the business benefits and the technology advantages of the cloud? And finally, how can I modernize my applications so I can be cloud native to get the maximum benefit of the cloud? So to answer these questions and others, and to make sure that we have a successful and smooth cloud migration journey, we have developed a comprehensive program based on our experiences dealing with thousands of customers who have already migrated to the cloud. This program called Migration Acceleration Program, or in short, MAP. The program packages best practices, tools, expertise, financial incentives, as well as we work with specialized partners in order to make sure that we have a successful cloud migration journey. MAP consists of 3 phases: assess, mobilize, migrate, and modernize. So let's dive deep. MAP starts with the assess phase, where we need to set the foundation for a well-planned migration program. During this phase, we conduct a migration readiness assessment, or MRA, to help you determine your organization's capabilities, readiness, and commitment to migrate to the cloud. We will identify cloud migration blockers, and we will suggest a set of work streams that would help you to move forward with your migration successfully and smoothly. In addition, we conduct a rapid discovery of your portfolio, and we work with you to build a business case for a cloud migration. So we need to compare the cost on your on-premises environment versus the AWS cloud. And here we have a bunch of tools that we can utilize. For example, we have the migration evaluator that helps you to understand the current utilization of your infrastructure and recommends the right sizing in AWS. So after we have done analysis of your current environment, now we need to move to the next phase, which is the mobilize. Within a mobilize phase, we conduct detailed application discovery, and your application portfolio is further analyzed. We define migration application patterns, and we follow that with a migration plan, including project plans, cost estimates, and change management. In this phase also, we help you to set up a landing zone, which is your data center in the cloud, including the account structure, the network design, and the identity and access management strategy. Also, an important step here is to make sure that your team is well trained on the cloud. So we'll establish Cloud Center of Excellence that will be the core towards achieving operational excellence within your cloud transformation journey. And here, our training team will be working closely with you to upskill your resources. So the mobilize phase usually takes between 2 to 6 months, depends on your readiness. But at the end of this phase, there will be some workload already migrated from your on-premises to the cloud. So this workload will enjoy their new and lovely home, which is AWS. That's awesome, right? So now, what's next is the migrate and modernize phase. So the mobilize phase prepares you for the migrate and modernize phase, where we execute the large-scale migration plan developed during the mobilize phase with the help of the migration certified AWS partners as well as the AWS ProServe team. So whether you have SAP, Windows, VMware, mainframe, legacy applications and other workloads, don't worry, we have the different programs to support you during your migration journey. And if you need to modernize your application, so for example, you need to go to serverless computing, containerization, and build the cloud native applications, then we can do that during the modernize phase. Okay, I've reached the end of my session. I hope I gave you the right information to kickstart your journey to the cloud. Please check the links below and hope to see you soon in other episodes. Thanks for watching.